To stop the further spread of coronavirus in slum areas, Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope has instructed the Mumbai Civic Body Commissioner to move close contacts of positive cases in slum areas of Mumbai to institutional quarantine facility. Earlier, the government had asked all such close contacts to remain at home. So this is the latest decision coming from the state government in Maharashtra as the state continues to be one of the worst affected areas across the country. Mayuresh joining me live with more inputs on this. Mayuresh, the number of cases in Dharavi, of course, has been alarming with a marginal dip is what we are getting to hear now. But yet the government of Maharashtra taking no chances, now talking about how the immediate contacts of those who test positive should be quarantined institutionally, not just at home. Can you give us more details on this, please? So we are trying to connect to Mayuresh on this, but the information that we have is that to stop the further spread of coronavirus in slum areas, Rajesh Tope has instructed the BMC Commissioner and the Cabinet Secretary to ensure that the close contacts of positive cases in slum areas be moved to institutional facilities for quarantine. They are not to be quarantined at home. This is as a measure of abundant precaution being taken. First, to trace the immediate contacts of the positive cases and then to immediately quarantine them in an institutional facility. Mayuresh joining us with more. Mayuresh?
Yes, Afrida, we have given to understand by our sources within the Maharashtra government that the Rajesh Tope have instructed the BMC Commissioner and Chief Secretary of Maharashtra to move all such close contacts of COVID positive cases from the slum, especially from the Dharavi area and the Varli-Kolivada, to the institutional quarantine, because they feel that this will help them to reduce the number and stop that chain. Earlier, they were allowing the close contacts to remain in the home quarantine, but now the state government has taken a decision, and Rajesh Tope have instructed the Chief Secretary and BMC Commissioner to move them to the institutional quarantine. Also, we have been given to understand that from today onwards, the Maharashtra government and the BMC will be doing a kind of aggressive campaign to increase the institutional quarantine facilities in the city of Mumbai.
Right. Right. The total number of cases in Maharashtra has gone up 5,600. The total number of deaths now stand at around 269. 431 new cases, 18 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. The government is, of course, taking fresh new measures now to ensure contact tracing and quarantining of the immediate contacts, especially those in the slum areas, to an institutional facility. This will be implemented by the Cabinet Secretary immediately in the city of Mumbai. Thanks for joining us, Mayuresh, with your information on this.